Hey, this is Anne from Magnify, and today I'm going to take a look at active ETFs. Active ETFs are one of the most popular searches on our platform, and they're a pretty popular investing product. So with active ETFs, you're getting a lot of the benefits of a mutual fund. So you're getting that active management. You have those fund managers who are going out and picking the holdings of the fund. But unlike a mutual fund, the active ETF is going to trade on the exchange during the day. And it also doesn't have a minimum investment. And sometimes they can even have lower fees. So what I like to take a look at when I'm looking at these active ETFs is the active share. So active share is the percentage of the underlying holdings of the fund that differ from the benchmark index. So this is really interesting to look at because what we'll see is how much of the fund is actively managed. So I ran a quick search for active ETFs with high active share that outperform SPY. And SPY is an ETF that tracks the S&P 500 index. And what we'll see here is how these funds are outperforming relative to SPY, as well as what percent of them are actively managed. So we'll see a bunch of different results here, ranging from 35% to 88%. So when we see this iShares ETF, only 35% of the fund is actually different from that benchmark index. Only 35% is actually actively managed. With this top result here, we're actually seeing ones as high as 88%. So the fund managers are going out and picking funds that are actually 88% different from the benchmark index. So these are all really cool, interesting things to look at when you're looking at those active ETFs and considering putting them into your portfolio.